Did you know you can create a full TV commercial complete with a storyboard, hyper-realistic images, and video with audio included, without spending a single cent and without needing a powerful computer? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, using only free cloud-based platforms. You won't need a graphics card, you won't need to install anything, and you won't even need a powerful PC. We are going to do everything from the browser using free accounts you probably already have. We are going to use three main tools, all free and all online. The first is Gemini at gemini.google.com, which will help us generate the idea and the complete storyboard. The second is ChatGPT, which will help us generate and refine the base images for the commercials. And the third is Google Flow inside labs.google, which is where we will convert those images into video with sound. As an extra and also free option, I'll show you Qwen Chat, which is useful as a plan B when you run out of daily credits on the other platforms. For this example, we are going to create a fictitious 30-second commercial for a coffee brand called Chilli Sin Carne, using a logo I previously designed with artificial intelligence. If you want to learn how to design your own logo for free, I have another video where I explain how to do it with Recraft, a website that also generates vector illustrations and can serve you for any fake or real brand project. This entire workflow is designed so that you can replicate it with any brand, any product, and any commercial duration, not just with this coffee example. Step 1. Create the storyboard with Gemini. Log into Gemini, upload your brand's logo, and directly ask it to generate a storyboard for a 30-second commercial. The more specific you are in the prompt, the better result you will get. Tell it the brand name, the product it sells, the tone you want, for example, funny, elegant, or everyday, and to use the attached logo in the generation. An important detail: sometimes Gemini will only return text describing each scene without an image. That is, it will write out the entire narrative of the storyboard scene by scene with timing and shot details, but without generating anything visual. If that happens, don't worry, because that description isn't lost. Later in the tutorial, I'll show you how to use that exact same text to generate the video shots, so save it. For now, simply insist by asking it, create an image with all these storyboards, and it will generate a single image containing the whole sequence of scenes together. You will also notice that, by default, the model usually generates images in black and white and in a vertical format suitable for shorts or social media. No problem. Just ask it to change all panels to a horizontal 16:9 format and to also use the attached logo in every scene. Now you will have your complete storyboard in TV commercial format, typically with 6 distinct scenes. Sometimes the model might repeat itself and generate a scene nearly identical to another. It's not a big deal. Simply pick the version you like best and move forward. A tip on free limits. With a normal Gmail account, Gemini allows you to generate over 30 images a day at no cost, so you will have plenty of margin to assemble your initial storyboard without any trouble. Step 2. Convert the storyboard into hyper-realistic images. Once you have the storyboard set up, the next step is to take each scene individually and transform it into a professional quality image, because the storyboard generated by Gemini usually comes out in an illustration style, and we want our commercial to look like it was filmed with a real camera. What I do here is take a screenshot of each panel from the storyboard, paste it into a new chat within Gemini, and ask it to transform that image into a photorealistic style. Tell it to use the attached logo, use a professional camera style with good lighting, and hit generate. It might happen that the model doesn't understand you on the first try and keeps giving you an illustration instead of a realistic photo. If that happens, try switching models within the same tool, or open a completely new chat, paste the original image there, and repeat the prompt. Very often, a clean chat free of the history of failed attempts improves the result noticeably. You can also use ChatGPT for this exact step, and I recommend trying it in parallel. The process is identical. Copy the storyboard image, paste it into ChatGPT, upload the logo, and ask for the photorealistic style. In my experience, ChatGPT tends to respect the logo better and maintain consistency between scenes, whereas Gemini can sometimes be more variable. The ideal approach is to combine both tools and use whichever gives you the best result for each scene. A couple of frequent adjustments. If the image comes out square or vertical, ask it to change the aspect ratio to 16.9. If the logo isn't integrated well, ask it to replace the logo while attaching the file again to ensure it takes it into account. Repeat this process for each of the scenes in your storyboard until you have the 5 or 6 base images for your commercial, all in high quality horizontal format and with your brand correctly applied in each. And before moving on, if you're an AI content creator, I have several discounts for different platforms in the description of this video, so you can check them out and save some money on your subscription. Step 3. Enhance quality and remove watermarks. Once you have your photorealistic images, you can give them an extra quality boost by asking the same model to improve it, for example, by telling it to make the image look as if it were taken with a professional DSLR camera. This will greatly improve detail, sharpness, and overall scene lighting. The only drawback is that when making this enhancement, the model will usually insert a small watermark in a corner of the image. To remove it for free and without installing Photoshop, you can easily erase it using the default image editor in Windows, as I'm showing you here on my screen. I'm using Windows 10. This editor already includes an AI-powered erase option. Select the watermark area and the tool automatically removes it, filling in that space coherently with the rest of the image, almost as if it were never there. You don't need any extra software. What is already installed on your computer is enough. Take advantage of this moment to double-check that each image's format is correct, that they are all 16:9, and that the logo looks consistent scene after scene. If any remained in a square format, this is the time to correct it before moving on to the next step. Step 4. Animate images with Google Flow. With your high-quality, watermark-free images ready and your logo integrated, go to labs.google and enter the section called Google Flow. This is where the magic really happens. We upload each image and ask it to convert it into a video clip with movement. Before diving into this step, an important note. Video generation can also be done directly inside Gemini. However, I prefer using Google Flow because it offers many more video options and it doesn't generate the watermark that Gemini leaves behind. Another extra tip, you can also use Google Flow to generate your storyboard images as shown in the previous step. So if you want, you can run the entire process from storyboard to final video without ever leaving this platform. Inside Flow, you have several models and it's worth knowing the difference. The Omni model is free and fast, generating 5-second clips and already including audio, so you don't have to add background sound separately. There is also Veo 3.1, available in standard and light versions. The light version consumes fewer credits, allowing you to generate more videos in a single day. Key detail you cannot skip. If your image already has the logo incorporated, you do not need to repeat that instruction in the video prompt because the model will already keep it visible. Repeating it only produces inconsistent or strange results. Simply describe the action in the scene. Here is a trick that will save you time. For this prompt, you can directly use the storyboard description that Gemini gave us at the beginning of the tutorial, the text-only scene descriptions. By using that exact description, the video will maintain all details and consistency with the rest of the commercial because it aligns with the original concept built from the start. And here we have our video results in Google Flow. Keep in mind that the free account has a daily credit limit. With Veo 3.1, it's usually around 10 free credits per day, which is enough for about 4 or 5 short videos. When you run out, wait 24 hours for them to renew or use a second Gmail account. In terms of quality, both Omni and Veo 3.1 are superior to other free alternatives, so always start with these two before resorting to a plan B.
Yes.
Step 5. Free alternative with Qwen Chat. If you run out of daily credits on Google Flow or simply want a second option on hand, you have Qwen Chat, another completely free online platform. Here you can perform the exact same end-to-end process, generate the scene image, and also create video sequences starting from that base image, a process known as image to video, all within the same tool. The quality isn't quite as high as Veo or Omni, noticeable especially in detail levels and movement fluidity, but it is a perfectly valid option for completing your sequence without running out of Google credits halfway through your project. Another big advantage of Qwen Chat is that it doesn't add any watermark to the generated videos, saving you the step of editing it out later. That said, just like other platforms, Qwen has a daily limit on both images and videos you can generate for free, so don't expect limits to disappear entirely here. The process to generate the video is identical to Google Flow. Upload the image, paste your prompt without the logo part, since the logo is already directly on the image, and hit generate. In a few minutes, you'll have your clip ready. My recommendation, use Qwen as a backup, not your primary option. Reserve your Veo and Omni credits for the most important scenes of the commercial, such as the final product shot or logo reveal. And just like that, scene by scene, you finish assembling the 5 or 6 clips that make up your 30-second commercial, all generated with 100% free, cloud-based tools, Gemini or ChatGPT to make the storyboard and images, and Google Flow or Qwen Chat to animate them and add sound. With all this material ready, you now have animated scenes with audio, a consistent logo in every shot, and everything in horizontal format, ready to be imported into your favorite video editor.
Wow,
Remember that you can repeat this exact workflow with any brand and any product, giving you the complete foundation to create your own commercials without spending a single cent.
Okay, and that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell so you get notifications of my new videos. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other playlist with more AI tools. See you guys next time. Bye bye.